Hey guys, we're doing the team draw on the 3 box donruss choice. It's 7:53 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll. We're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Doing the teams now. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alrighty. Random is complete, and the teams are Garth with the Bulls, Cannon with the Suns, Jay Doney Blazers, TJ Sixers, Aaron Price Heat, Albie Nets, Knicks and Raptors, Byron with the Hornets, Scotty Rhodes Bucks, Corey Leslie Spurs, Sean Thon Nuggets, Jacob Warren Lakers, Albie Kings, Sean with the Thunder, Kane Wizards, Holland Magic, TJ Jazz, Garth Cavs, Cannon Mavericks, Climbers Pistons, Sean Thon Hawks, Thomas Oliver Pelicans, Jacob Warren with the Wolves, Byron Celtics, Adam Carter Warriors, Corey Leslie Clippers, Johnny Heaton's Rockets, Hayden with the Grizz, and Ash Peters with the Pacers. And that is the team list. Time is 8:01:12.